Aloha, Claire here. My name is Claire Maxwell. I live in New York City and I teach the Alexander Technique. And I'm relaunching some workshops that I teach to help people who are suffering unnecessarily from creeping stiffness, the creeping fear of loss of balance and shoulder tension particularly. So I call it the End Shoulder Tension Forever workshop, but I want to call your attention to what happens down the line. If you start to get stiff and you start to lose mobility, loss of mobility means loss of balance, and loss of balance means fear, and fear means narrowing possibilities for your movement and just for enjoying your life. And I don't want that to happen. It's kind of a natural part of aging, because aging is change. But it can be positive change if you've got some tools, and that's what we offer in these workshops. So the first thing you gotta do, and you need support for, is letting go of some of those crazy ideas that people seem to have about their shoulders. So that's why I call it shoulder tension, End Shoulder Tension workshops, because people think that their shoulders should be back and down most of the time. So if you look at that and how that affects my balance, it puts me back. And it's a little bit unstable if that's where you are all the time. Your shoulder girdle is actually designed to shift and move at your collarbone joint when you balance. And so having a little bit of freedom through here, which is the hallmark of the Alexander Technique, is just a tiny bit of ease and freedom in the shoulder girdle and the head area. It can restore a lot of movement. So in the first level of workshops, we work a lot more, because it's more basic, with the forward and back balancing so that you can squat again. And in the level 2 workshops, we're going to work with turning your head without stiffening the shoulder girdle, because turning is a really, really important motion also for fun and dancing and pleasure, but also for your balance. So if you or someone you know is starting to have tension, stiffness, fear creep, losing your ability to squat, feeling unbalanced, feeling tottery, stiff knees, don't wait. Contact me. I'll put you in touch with someone in your area if you're not here in New York, or you can come to these workshops. You can come to the introductory session and find out what it's all about. All right, peace and love. If you want to find out more, just go to the website below, sign up for the email list, and you'll get the vital stats. Thank you so much for watching. Peace. Bye.